Hi everyone, this is Jerem, and I'm here to talk to you about the latest wave of Transformers Legacy evolution and reveals. Well, we've got a fun little group of 10 bots that's here today, so let's get started at talking about them. The first we have is Core Class Nemesis Prime, a black repaint of the Core Class Optimus Prime, though instead of the trusty blaster, he now is wielding a giant axe, and is reminiscent of the axe that almost every single Optimus Prime from G1 seems to wield these days. It looks like a real winner in my opinion. Next we have Core Class Grimlock. Apparently, there's going to be a bunch of the 5 original Dinobots coming in very soon, with the Triceratops Slug already being available. Personally, this one doesn't appeal to me, mostly because of the tail all looking like a big thing, but apparently it will help combine into a giant robot, so let's see how that goes. Next we have Core Class Thundercracker, a blue repaint of Core Class Starscream. Pretty simple repaint in here, but looks amazing. Next we have the deluxe classes, starting with Junkion Crash Bar. Very cool looking with his awesome weapons that look like a bunch of engine blocks, and transforms into an awesome junk-styled motorcycle. Oh, kind of makes sense. He looks like he got all of his parts from a junkyard because he's a Junkion. Next up, we have Deluxe Class Crosscut, a silver and red repaint of Deluxe Class Skids. It's crosscut and follows the repaint tradition, and with some new, with the same accessories but in different colors. Personally, I think this looks really cool, though the red wheels for his alt mode is a little bit glaring. Next we have Deluxe Class as Animated Universe Prowl. If you ever wanted a ninja robot in part of your collection or crew, this Prowl is the one for you. Next, finally, we have Deluxe Class Insecticon Shrapnel. Of the 3 Insecticons, this one, I personally think, looks the coolest as that have been revealed so far. We already have a Kickback, and now we're getting a Shrapnel. Let's hope there's a Bombshell or a Hardshell coming out with this guy to round out the crew. Next in the Voyagers, we have Metal Hawk. A pretty awesome jet mode, and very reminiscent of his robot toy form and of the Master Force or series is in which he starred in. A lot of people might be confused at this, but he was actually a repaint of the Voyager class Cyclonus. As if you can look at the wings and the legs. Personally, I think it's a really cool thing. And definitely something I would want to get myself. Next we have Voyager class Twincast and Autobot Rewind, in a repaint of both Autobot and Blaster and an Autobot Eject. For those of you who are big fans of upgraded versions of your classic Autobots, Twincast is the bot for you. Especially if you already have a Sound Blaster. Finally, we have Leader Class Prime Universe Skyquake. A new mold that it represents both his Prime version and his G1 version in both modes. That Gatling gun and in jet mode look awesome to me. So, that's all 10 in there. Which one was your favorite? And please, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.